Good morning, everyone. Good Noni here. Today, I want to talk a little bit about the Navitas semiconductor. The ticker is NVTS. I've been observed this stock like since they like about $19. So this past Friday, which is May 22nd, 2026, when I record this video for you guys. The reason that they go up for 20% because the investor know that the Navitas is gonna be the part of NVIDIA AI data center architecture. So, but again, just a little bit about that. But it is just gonna be example. If you would do the cover call, how you're gonna do it in your screen after you log into your account in Robinhood. So to make sure, I will put here the builder to make sure that we pick the strategy right. So in this case, we already own 100 share, like we learned from the early of the lesson. And you can go ahead and click cover call. And then for right now, so when you see this, so this is mean right here, that green one right here is right now is the current market price is 29.01. This is strike price that you can pick, that the break even point, and that's the price per share that you're gonna earn. So let's see if the price at 36 or the delta 19, 35, 23, 34. We look at the delta 27. Let's see, 33, the delta at 32 is so high. So I probably, in this case, to be safe, I probably gonna pick the target at the strike price at 34. And again, guys, this is just for example. I suggest that you learn how to do cover call strategy before you take the trade for real. And this video only for the education and entertainment purpose only. So we try to focus on about a week. This is only 6 day. So since the 6 day, we're gonna change to, let's pick the especially for like June 5th of 2026. Let's check the data again to be sure. 33, no. Strike price 34, no. 35, no. If I gonna play this myself, I probably gonna pick cover call at strike price as $36, and the premium you earn like about 150. So you click right here. So potential of earning, if you have one contract with Navitas, will give you about, you will collect premium today like about $130 right here. But like here you can see the potential. If you have 5 contracts, you will collect $650. You have like 10 contracts, you will collect 1,300. So again, this is for example. I hope this video help you guys so much. And I only can see this stock is gonna go up and up, but in the meantime, I can show you the chart that I analyzed on Friday. The price start right here at about $26, and I predict that it's probably gonna go up to 28. That after I analyze the chart, but they go up all the way to 29.43. That's almost 20%, guys. But again, this is for example. It's also do your own research. Which stock will be good for you that you want to invest on, and go ahead and check out my book link about cover call if you want to learn more about this. Also, you can sign up for my course if you like. And then that's all for today. See you guys next time. Bye.